How's it going, David?
Oh, hey, it's great.
Dewy? You guys sure?
Yeah.
Not dewy.
Okay. What about tomorrow? Are we gonna go up to Glacier Point?
Glacier's quite a...
Welcome to the Inside Cribs edition of David, Michael. This is my bed. His bed. Spacious area. It's a cribs. We're doing cribs. This is our kitchen area. I cook right here. Our campsite tonight. There's our tent. Cap in the background. This is Alex.
What up? You guys ready for this? I don't think they're ready.
We are at the top of Stanford Peak, Sportin'.
Stanford, man.
Stanford, Sportin'.
It's not Stanford Peak though.
Stanford Peak. We're at the top of Stanford Peak. We're making some soup, we're making some jasmine tea, we're making some noodles over here. What are you guys making? What are you guys
We're making patented combination of a mix of garlic pepper and tofu miso ramen
patented by who?
by myself with
man.
Arjun's approval. Show the thumbs up. I'd love to come home real smelly after a trip, man. Not showered for 3 days and then just down. Really better.